Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable allow notes on post and reels on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in a device, then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Then scroll until you find sharing and remixes. Then tap on it. After that, you can see the option of allow notes on post and reels. Then turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can disable allow notes on post and reels on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.